Telecompany, Seattle Pictures, Douglas Productions, Svetlana Productions, movie Experiment in Seattle. Sponsor of program, Douglas Konzen, Director of stage, Svetlana Konzen.
Okay, that sounded professional. Now, look what I got here. I took off a bunch of wines. Maybe I'll go like double thickness but the same amount of turns, but I got it so across this cap, this DC cap is 12.3 volts right now. Across the big AC cap, 7.3 volts. I haven't adjusted anything, it's still 163. And I have the inverter running, the dummy one, fake load. And look what I'm drawing, hardly anything, 0.016. Do I have that? Oh, is that AC? Yep, that's right. AC, amps, 10 amps. It's drawing near nothing. And I have 12.3 in here. Now I'm going to flip this switch. Now I put a 40 watt bulb here. There's one 40 watt bulb in parallel with the cap bank, this big cap bank. And when I flip this switch, that's all I get. I'll just leave it on now. Now the bulb is connected as a load to the inverter. Now I'm going to turn it off. Where is it? There it is. Turning off the bulb to this bulb here is 40 watt bulb connected to the dummy inverter. So I'm going to flip the switch again. Let's see what happens. Let's say I need more capacitance in the this. I could maybe use this big super cap bank here. But right now, okay, now what's happened? I want to see what happens to the input when I flip the switch on. Okay, I'm going to flip the switch on, light up that bulb where it flashes. And we have 0.018 amps. Now I'm going to flip the switch. 1, 2, 3, flip. Ooh, wow. See that? This is the input from the inverter, from the real inverter. So there is a surge in power up to about 200 milliamps. 1, 2, 3, flip. Maybe 300 at the most. I'm not sure what all this means. Oh, see the way it jumped up there? I didn't do anything, it just jumped by itself up. So I doubt this will self-run if I just take the DC into here right now. you know, the DC that's powering this inverter. And I could shove it into this inverter and loop it supposedly, but I don't think it will. Doesn't feel like it. I don't want to try it. Let's do that again. It's kind of building a charge up. I bet you if I mess with these caps a lot, things would be a lot better. I could have a big, huge cap here. Huge. Look at how low it draws. What I think is twice as thick wire here, so it makes more amps, but the same number of turns. I'll take this coil apart and see just how many feet long it is. And make it a couple feet longer maybe, so it gets up around 13 or 14 volts. And I'm going to flip this switch again. I'm pretty sure I got too much of a load. Obviously, I've only drawn 16 milliamps and 12 volts is all I'm drawing coming in here. And all of a sudden you want to have the caps and the output coil power this 40-watt light. So I'm going to do it again. Turn on the light here. Okay, 12.3, steady. Flip the switch. I'm going to watch this again. Yeah, that's about it. And then it goes to 11. Takes some time. Watch this, it'll suddenly go up to 13 or 12. Maybe. Now this is the DC in from the battery. Let's flip it again. Ready, set. Wow, see that? It went up to 13. That was weird. Looks like that extra power. There it is, 13.6. It's not getting too close to 16, so I haven't blown up this inverter yet. Okay, well, after my last video, remember it was 38 volts across this cap, so by taking a lot of wines off of here, I'd say about 12 feet maybe. Not that many, maybe 10, I don't know. I got the voltage now at a safe level for the inverter, the dummy inverter. Okay, thanks for watching.